Hello friends, hello children. Today I'm going to tell you how to do the bottle painting. I've got a bottle. You can use whatever bottle you have at home. You can make use of it to do some painting. I'm going to use acrylic paint today for to paint the bottle. Let me show. All the children have done it in schools, so I'm sure they'll be able to do it at home with you. And I'm going to tell you now how to do it. Take any bottle you have. I'm choosing a white color for the base. White color paint for the base. Take a cotton. Pour a little bit. With the cotton, dip and take some paint, and you have to just apply the paint with the cotton. This is very easy. Everyone can do this. Can do the same with the bottom also. Okay, now you can use it as like this to put pen as a pen stand or something like that. If you want it with a lid to store something, then you can paint the lid also. And let this dry for half an hour. I'm going to use one bottle that I painted sometime back. It's dry now. I'm going to show you what to do next. Take whatever color you have, some bright colors. 3. I'm going to use 3 colors today. Okay, take a big pen with a big circle and one pencil you need and a earbud. I'm going to use these 3 to make design. First take the bigger one, dip it in whatever color you want. Can make a circle. Then this is a smaller circle. I'm taking a green. See? Now take a earbud for a small circle. I'm going to do one more design here. Can do one more. That's it. It's a very simple design. You can do the same with the lid, or you can just leave it like that. If you want the lid to be in color, you can use the cotton and paint the whole thing. Try it at home. Help the children do this. You can make use of this as a storage container in the kitchens. Thank you.